I have here sort of a unique razor. It's marked Marshes and Shepherd, Pond's Works, Sheffield. It's a full wedge. It has a smiling edge, and it's tapered. Now, on a regular traditional flat stone, these problems are probably compounded. But what I have here is a stone that I made up. It's a Japanese asagi, and it actually has a concave surface top to it. And I'm going to attempt to hone this razor on this stone. First, I'll dull the edge on glass. Now it is just mildly sharp. It wouldn't actually shave at all. And I'm going to first raise a slurry on this asagi. I have here a small Kita Tomo Nagara, and I'm going to work on this bevel. It might take 5 or 6 minutes, we'll see. So I have a concave stone and a smiling edge, but believe it or not, right now all the edge is on the stone, because I'm bridging a gap here that not only is dished, but because my razor is smiling, it generally matches the smileness of the blade. I could go straight across, but that doesn't solve that solves the wedge gap of the razor, but it doesn't solve the smiling shape of the cutting edge. So going at a diagonal like this actually sort of fills both the gaps, the wedge and the smile. Now this stroke would mimic a rolling X stroke. But actually I'm not rolling the blade at all. Like I said, the edge of the razor is actually in contact with the stone. So I don't need to roll it, I'm just actually drawing the blade off the stone. And it follows the contour by itself. Okay, I'm going to rinse the blade off. I have clear water here. Wipe it off. And I have, I call this a fire hose cotton strop. It could be advertised as a linen, but it looks to me like cotton. Okay, then on the other side here is denim, cotton denim. So that takes care of that first session on the stone. I have some hair, and we'll see if this razor will pass an HHT. That hair flew off to the side there. That came back onto my finger, and that piece just fell over. That flew back. So these are HH3s. That felt like a 4. These are in the 3 and 4 range. I'm going to, for sake of argument, favor the 4. I've shaved with this razor before, and I know its capabilities, and being a heavy blade like that, it's a superb shaver. And I know that those HHT tests are going to prove to be an indicator of a really good shaving edge.